The Crucible is probably the most available resource for creative expression. If you have an idea and want to manifest it, the Crucible is probably a place that you should go to try to manifest it. We are a huge organization that touches a variety of different mediums of art. We are a place where creativity can be experienced in its best ways. So I think our influence on the community as a whole is to give a place where people can express their creativity. The blacksmith changes the basic shape of the material that they work with. There probably will never be a time that we won't need to be able to reshape things.
What would you say the Crucible really means to you, personally?
A place to play.